Welcome to my basement. In today's video, I am going to be doing some cleaning, doing some decorating. I am specifically actually going to be cleaning my entryway to the basement. So when I designed my basement, I added the window and I was able to get enough space to where I could put plants on top. And if you know me, you know I love to decorate with plants. I have plants in a lot of spaces around my house. And if you're not decorating with plants, I challenge you to just get one plant and see how many you will get after that. Because there's a thing about plants where you get one and then you're always going to be inspired to just bring in more because of how it changes your environment. So this is the entryway into my basement. I really need to clean it up. You can see there's a lot of leaves falling from the plants. It needs some spring spruce up. So I'm going to be removing everything out and starting to just clean and organize it to look better, because I just don't like the way it's looking right now. I've neglected it just because, hey, it's busy life with kids and work and everything else. So I have some time today to be able to do that, and I'm hoping that I could redecorate it and have it looking much more nicer, because we always leave this door open. So if I have guests coming in, this is going to be the first area of the house where they will be seeing before they could actually have a seat. So join me as I do this cleaning today. Spring is my favorite time of the year, so I just love to, do some spring cleaning and change spaces to just match the season. You can see it's really in need of some cleaning, so what a mess. Teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone, unraveling my plans. Make me whole again, rebuild me from the inside out, in a way only you know how. Guys, I am just cleaning up the decor items. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting back everything. I will just have to pick and choose what goes back there. Yeah. I can't wait to show you guys the reveal after I'm done. Guys, and I'm all done. Please let me know if you like this look. I just changed a few things. I'm propagating my spider plant, so I'm just putting it in water. Hopefully I can transfer it to a pot in the next few weeks. But yeah, I kind of like just decluttered a little bit, and this is the final look. I am liking this look. It is very decluttered compared to how it was before, and the yellow flowers is actually having the spring look. Let me know what you think down below. And here is my basement. This is my office down there. Basement is an open space, has a bar area down there. My kids spend a lot of time here during the weekends watching TV, playing. Guys, I want to say thank you for joining us for this video. Please let me know what you think about the before and the after. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider to do so. We do a lot of things in this channel. We cook, we talk about health, lifestyle. We do a lot of home decor, and pretty soon we're going to be doing a lot of gardening outside, growing our own food, our own veggies. So if you want to see stuff like that, please consider tuning in every Friday for new videos. And until next time, guys,